So, bringing traceability into the sampling process is another area which is a question, and this is a very, very important area because I have seen mostly this traceability part is completely neglected. The merchant only knows when the package was given, and after a lot of chasing and running around, finally she gets to the package is delivered. So, in between, whatever is happening is completely she has a blind eye to it. So, it's not that she has a blind eye to it, but there is so much going on in a sample room that she or he doesn't get into the nitty-gritties of what exactly has happened to a sample. So only thing that keeps happening normally is chasing. So everybody's chasing. So you're chasing whether cutting has been done, sewing has been done, finishing has been done, and you're chasing the sampling head. So sampling head has so many orders to look for. So often I have even seen there are people, it's like a tug of war that my sample should go first, between the merchant, between various departments. So the whole idea is traceability can really change the game here, because if you had the traceability of samples, then that means every single person will have the transparency across the value chain of sampling, wherein you know how many samples are there today to cut. When does the cutting begin? When does the sewing begin for that particular sample? If merchant had tool which can actually tell her that her sample has gone on the machine at 11:40 today, wouldn't that be great? So now I think at Methods, what we have done is we have actually developed a tool which can help you traceability. I'm not trying to advertise here, but this is something which is really, really helpful, and that's a great question because traceability is something which needs to be addressed really deeply, and we think as a solution provider to the industry, we can handle this problem for you for sure. The next is so you can call us for that.